Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to check loading speed of Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to check loading speed of Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to check loading speed of Shopify store. So today I'm going to show you how to check loading speed of Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Checking loading speed in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on online store. Now you are seeing Shopify store speed percentage here. You can also see the loading speed on mobile and desktop. If it is low, it means your store speed is slow. You need to increase it, otherwise you will lose potential customers. There you go. If you wanted to know how to check loading speed of Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.